Awesome. Okay.
I was kind of confused on parts of this one, so I hope that we can figure it out
We'll
together.
figure it out. I feel like we always figure it out. At least with the group meetings.
Yeah, and then when I do the homework, it's not the same.
Yep, exactly.
Okay.
Yay, correlation coefficients. This stuff is easy.
Okay, so we're pushing start on the quiz, right? For group meeting.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Lesson 20. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, this is pretty easy.
I remember is it like strength and direction?
Yeah.
Yeah, the first one.
That's what I thought too, but
That's what I have. Then number 4.
is the third one?
It's the third one, yeah. When
Yeah.
their variable tends to decrease.
Mhm. And then 5 is false, right?
Yeah, because it can significantly affect it, right?
Here, let's look it up just in case.
So. I remember reading about it.
Because it has like those examples that show like.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Outliers can dramatically affect the value of the correlation coefficient.
Yep. So false.
Okay, the correlation coefficient.
Oh, okay, so this is that attachment. I was wondering, I was like, why do we have to download an Excel document?
Yeah. Okay, that makes sense. I'm like,
This is where I start to get confused. I guess we do all of this in SPSS, but...
But he only has it for Excel on here. I don't know. Let's see.
So, oh. Yeah, that's right. I have the one open from the book, and that one was an SPSS one. So I guess this one's different, huh?
I don't know. Probably.
well.
So how do you find the correlation coefficient on Excel?
I don't know. I'm like, great.
Okay, so I'm having some weird thing with it. It's not like...
Okay, Excel instructions. Here we go. So the correlation coefficient can easily be calculated in Excel.
Okay.
That's good. Oh wait, where did it go? Oh, come back. Okay. Using any cell in an Excel page, you calculate the correlation coefficient. The command is equals correl. Okay. So you just make a formula, and it's equals correl.
Equals row?
Correl. So C-O-R-R-E-L.
What? C-O-R-R-E-L?
Yeah. And then you just do you highlight the first row, so the duration. Holy crap, there's so much data.
Yeah, I was just gonna say.
Oh my gosh.
Okay, now what?
Oh my word.
So put in like equals Corel, like it'll have little parentheses that come up.
Right, I got that.
Yeah, and so you just highlight the whole first row of A, or column, I guess.
And then did it put an colon A in your array 1?
It should be like A2 colon A273.
Do it right then.
And then do we do a comma and then highlight the next one?
Yes, for the second one.
So you said A2 and then colon A73? Why didn't mine work, I wonder?
It's A2 colon A273. You're only highlighting the numbers.
Okay, but
And then the next one should be B2 and then B273.
I don't know why it doesn't, when I highlight it, why it doesn't just automatically put it in. That's weird.
Because I had to like drag it down. You don't just click the A thing. You have to like start at the second row and then drag it all the way down.
Okay.
Or you can just type it in, like parentheses A2.
That's what I did.
A2.
So mine says A2 colon A273 comma B2 colon B273. Is that right?
Yeah. Perfect. That is
That's the answer?
Yeah, I got 0.900859.
That's what I got.
That's what I got.
Woohoo!
Okay. Did you guys get Jordan's email? He just emailed right now.
What did it say?
No.
He said, "Hey guys, sorry, I'm been sick and I'm bedridden or something." So I'm assuming he's not coming.
Okay.
Well, he can just watch it later then. I mean, if you contact the professor, stuff he'll...
Yeah.
Okay, so do we put the entire number in? Because it doesn't say just to round it to 3 like normal. So do
be exact. So I'm just gonna put it all.
Yeah, I'm gonna do that too. Okay. Now we need the covariance.
Is that another thing we have to do in Excel?
I
Does
guess
it say
so.
how to...
I'm looking right now. It doesn't say anything. It doesn't have any instructions. What the heck? It's like the equation for finding the covariance is, and it's like $S underscore XY. Like, none of it makes any sense. It looks like someone tried to do the programming for it, but it didn't code right. Like, are you guys looking at that?
Are you in lesson 21?
Yeah, it's like 4.3.
And I don't see any. I didn't see anything about it.
Where are you looking?
So I'm in like at the very bottom of the chapter, like section 4 that says covariance.
Where? Where does? I don't.
Okay.
It's so like it's like the correlation coefficient of $X, $and $Y. Here.
But where does it show the Excel?
I'll show my screen. This is like so weird.
All right, hold on. Let me go to the...
Okay, look at this. This is ridiculous. Here, I'll show you what it says. See, like down here, it's like the formula for the covariance is... What is that?
That's weird, because that's not what mine says.
Really? What
Okay,
does yours say?
second. That's weird. Hold on.
Does yours have that, Jen? Because mine doesn't.
Does yours have an actual equation?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Oh.
it does. Mine says X, and then xy equals r times sx times sy. Is that what you have, Aubrey?
Yeah.
So maybe we
Well,
should.
I don't know what SX and I don't know what that is.
okay, well, I do not have those equations on my textbook.
Let me just share my
so
screen so you can see it.
I'm going to refresh it and see what happens.
Okay.
Nope, still the same.
That's really
So-
weird. Okay, hold on.
Do you want to
Oh,
share-
wait! It worked! Yes! Okay, there we go. That was weird. That was
So
very
how do
bizarre.
I don't even.
But it doesn't have any instructions for Excel or SPSS.
Yeah. So I don't know.
So I guess we take the number that we just got, which is the correlation coefficient, and that's the R. So if you look at 4.1 in the book, I think that the R is what we just got, right?
Yeah.
Yes.
Oh, so we have to find the standard. Oh, that's what SX and SY are. So it's one column standard deviation, the other column standard deviation.
Oh, okay.
But I thought we could do this with the. I didn't think we had to do this by hand.
Wait,
but-
can't we do a standard deviation just on Excel, like somehow?
Yeah.
I don't remember how, but you know.
You just look it up in their functions, and there's two different ones. There's the sample one and the population one. I don't know which one.
Oh, here we go. It's stdev dot p or dot s. It depends.
Yeah,
on
that's what I'm trying to.
entire population.
I'm guessing we do S.
Yeah.
Like STDEVA, STDEVP.
It's stdev dot s.
It's STDEV.S.
Yeah. Right, Kirsten? Is that what we do?
Yeah. That's what I'm doing.
Well,
And so are you taking like the whole column then? Of
Yeah.
one,
Yeah.
like we did last time?
Okay. So I got 1.138619 for that one. For A.
Okay, just.
If I obviously did that wrong. I did. For some reason, mine had two columns.
We had two pull up, but you only should have to fill out one.
You got
I just-
1.138619.
Yeah.
That's what I got, yeah, okay.
Okay. And then the other one I got 13.59497.
I got 13.59497. Is that what you said?
13.59497? Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Cool. So we take those two numbers and multiply, and also with the other number we got.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Okay, let me know what you guys get.
I got
I got-
13.9448.
Yeah, that's what I got.
Cool.
Okay, so it just says to one decimal place, so 13.9, I guess.
I guess so. Cool.
Thank
This is quite easy. It makes me nervous.
I know. That's why I was worried about this, because it seemed way too easy.
Yeah.
Okay.
Ooh.
Okay. Okay.
How do we
What
know?
the heck?
Alright, I remember they had this in the reading. They had some samples
Yeah.
that we can look at. So let's see. Alright, so when it equals 0, it's just like a big messy blob. So it should be C for number 8.
C. Okay.
And
I
then, okay, the
imagine
next one.
1 is A. That's my guess.
Yeah, here, let me check the book just to double check. Yep.
-1 would be D,
Yep.
and 0.95, I'm guessing B.
Yeah. This is so easy. And then E. Yeah, E.
And 13F.
I think it matters if we capitalize them or not.
I'm not capitalizing mine. I
I
don't
didn't-
think it does. Okay.
What's this? Oh, that's from the homework. Or in the
So
book.
did we say 13?
Yeah, 13 is F.
So this is okay. Got it. That document should be in the homework, right? Or I mean in the textbook.
Yes.
Oh, crap.
Oh yeah, I remember seeing that somewhere. Where was it?
Yeah. Oh, I gotta go find it now.
Oh, here we go. It's like towards the top.
Yeah, it's like in the one where it's talking about their confidence on taking tests.
Ah, here we
I
go.
hate how it just takes you to the data page. It's like, why
I know.
can't you just open up right away?
Yeah.
Why can't I just have a link?
For reals. Okay, are you
Okay,
guys
so
opening it up in
when we're now doing-
SPSS?
Yeah, SPSS. And we
Okay,
have to
and
figure-
we can wait an hour for it to open up.
Okay. What?
We just do analyze, correlate, bivarate, right?
Yeah.
And just put in the two variables. Wait. Do we
I'm
put in
still waiting for mine.
rating and the score, I guess, right?
Yeah. Click. Okay.
I feel like this next exam that we have, like this last one, is going to be really easy because it's only 4 lessons.
Yeah.
But
then
as
we
we
have
were saying
everything else.
earlier, it's probably going to be
Right.
cumulative of like everything else.
The last one I thought I was gonna die. I was so like it literally took me like almost. I think it took up almost all the time, and I seriously thought when I pushed submit I was gonna get like a 50%. I was like
I
so
know, me
sure,
too.
and I ended up getting an 80. But it was horrible. It was one of the
I
most
know.
traumatic experiences of my
I
life.
know. Like usually the exams in this class are not that bad. Like, I mean, they're hard and like they make you think, but usually it only takes me like an hour and a half at most.
Yeah.
And this one,
I know.
hours, and I was like, what?
And I kept
Okay.
putting it off because I kept trying to study more. I never felt confident, like I knew enough to take it. And I put it off until the last minute until I like literally had 4 hours left, and then it took almost 4 hours. It was horrible.
Oh man.
It was the worst. I'm so glad it's over.
Is it the
It makes me nervous for the next one because I felt pretty confident about this one after we had our exam review. I was like, okay, like
Yeah.
I just need to study a little bit more, and then I feel ready. Like, you know, I had a handle on like that unit of stuff, and then it was like all like stuff from the earlier things. I was like,
I know.
oh.
The stupid exam reviews, I'm like, oh, this won't be that bad. If it's like this, then I've got it. And it's
I
never.
know, it like gives you this confidence boost, like, oh, like I do know this, and then like the exam's like, just kidding.
Seriously.
Okay, so is it the Pearson correlation score? Is it 0.728? Is that what you guys got, or is it?
Mine just opened up right now, so how did you guys do it?
I went to analyze and then correlate and then bivariate.
Okay.
And
I'm
then you
trying-
just put the two
Put both
variables
of them
in.
in there?
Yeah, and then hit OK. And then in the book it says, I think the results will be given in the correlations box in the output. They will be labeled as Pearson correlation.
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm not sure which one we do.
Wait, so what are we trying to find again? The correlation coefficient. Okay, so in the book, like, when, for the example of this file, it says R equals 0.728.
Okay. So is that the answer?
I guess so.
I'm doing it on
Hope so.
Excel just because I know how to do it on Excel for sure.
Oh yeah, that's smart.
But
I mean, it says it's 0.728 in the book. Like, this is like R equals.
yeah.
So then we can take, so for the next question, it says the covariance of the square and complex of the math efficiency, whatever data is what. So I guess we have to do what we did up there, where we multiply.
Yeah, we
0.7.
have to find the standard deviation of them.
And can we do that? I think can't we just calculate that in, like, maybe not.
Here, we just go to like descriptive statistics, right? Descriptives.
I don't know.
Here,
I
let's
never
see.
had.
So I have the numbers in the book. I'm gonna see if they match. Okay, standard. Yep. So you just go to analyze and descriptive statistics, and then descriptives, and you just put both of them in, and they tell you both of them. So they're 16.369 and 0.939.
Oh, okay. So then we
And
just
it matches up with the book. Exactly, so.
Wait, would you say that what you got again?
16.369
Okay.
and 0.93854.
Okay, perfect.
Okay, so I got 11.1842358.
Yeah, 11.184.
Right?
Yeah.
Did you
11.18.
11.18?
Yeah.
Yeah. The book says 11.19, but They they rounded things a lot. So
Okay. Should we submit?
Yeah, I'm
like a small
submitting.
crisis here
Yeah.
'cause our water cooler
Yes,
went out,
100.
and I've got someone here from Home Depot to look at it. So I just need to take a small break really quick
Okay.
because hey, Home Depot's here. Okay.
That was so easy.
Well, I'm in the middle of my phone, so I had. Okay. Well, I told Bella to get Dee Dee, so hopefully she'll deal with it. Okay, because I'm in the middle of my task.
Are we just gonna go ahead and start the other one right away?
Yeah, I think so, right?
Okay.
Cool. I'm gonna open
Bella!
it up, take a peek. See what
Okay,
we
so we're
got.
ready to start. I'm back. Sorry. We're ready to
Okay.
start 22, right?
Yep. Oh no, my internet just got really slow. Not good. I feel like we always have to have so many things open at the same time for these meetings, and it slows my computer down so much.
Yeah.
It drives me nuts. Okay.
Okay, I'm so worried about this. This is like the linear things.
We can do it!
Yeah, it'll be good.
Oh, and they have us use the same file. That's nice.
How convenient.
Which file are we supposed to use? I don't see where it says.
Oh, this one's so short! Yes! I feel good about this week.
Okay.
Okay. Oh no. Mine isn't showing the equations again.
In the book or on the?
Yeah, in the book.
Oh no.
Come on. Okay, there we go. So weird. Oh wait, just kidding, it's still not working. Okay, there it goes. Okay. So do we use the equation that's like y equals b0 plus b1x?
Yeah.
Okay. So we need the y-intercept and the slope. Oh my gosh. I haven't done this for like a million years. Algebra. And what does the x represent?
Okay, in the book it said that you can okay, so it's weird. This I didn't understand because it says it's like in the where the alligator. So like for the alligator, X represented the head length.
Okay, for number 3 and 4, the y, we're just figuring out which number in the equation is the y-intercept.
Oh.
We're not having to do a calculation.
Oh, that's so easy. So it's 2.1 or 2.0.
Yeah. It's not till number 5 that we do an actual.
Oh. That's so easy.
Yeah.
So then 4 would be just 1.5, right?
Yeah.
And then they already have the equation set up for us, so we just...
And then they give us X, 2, and 5.
Yeah, so we just plug in x in. Yeah.
Is that a -3?
Yeah.
Okay, I got 1.
So did I.
Okay, well I've moved it down. sorry.
1.0.
Hold on, let me try to.
I like question number 6.
I know.
Hot dog shape.
I got 1 too. Thank heaven.
Perfect. Make sure it's 1.0.
Yeah.
Oh, I did not do that. Thank you.
You're welcome. Okay, let's make a scatter plot. How do you do that again?
Okay, so
Oh.
you do graphs, and then go to Legacy Dialogues and to Scatter Dots,
Oh.
and then you pick Scatter, and then you put the score, I guess, in the y-axis.
Simple scatter?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then the confidence rating name in the X.
So your score goes in the y-axis and confidence rating goes in the x?
I think, I'm not sure.
Where does gender go? Label cases by?
I don't know.
I only do the 2 that are like data, but I might be wrong. I don't think you do quantitative. We're only doing quantitative data. And so I think we only do 2 columns, 1 for X and 1 for Y, right?
Yeah,
I think
I think so.
Why don't one of us put it? I'll put it opposite. But I think from the reading I did, I think those are the only 2 columns that we use.
I think you're right, yeah. It
All
takes
right.
forever. Come on, SPSS. You can do it.
It pretty much looks exactly the same, no matter what you put in the Y or the X.
How did you get yours to pull up so fast?
I don't know.
Aubrey's
What the
yours
heck?
up yet?
Yeah.
Mine's just slow today.
What kind of shape do you think it is?
I guess they would call it a hot dog shape. I don't know.
Yeah.
I'm looking at like what they have online, like on the book, what they like considered what.
It's so funny. The banana one's my favorite.
I definitely think it's a hot dog from what it says in the book, but
Yeah. Comparing to what they have in the book, I
did yours come out, Susan?
Nope, still hasn't come up. I don't know what's going on. It's frozen now. I trust you guys. Hot dog shape it is. Oh, now it's pulling up. Yeah. That's kind of weird. Like it's like a hot dog hamburger shape.
I know, that's what
It's probably hot dog.
it wasn't, but it is kind of like more linear, than.
Yeah, it has some kind of shape to it, so.
Okay.
And then I'm not sure about the question. If you look at the book, it has a decision down at the bottom.
Yeah. So it could conduct a regression analysis.
But that's not.
How do we do that?
I think it would be the middle one. Because
If simple integration is used for
yeah, if simple linear regression is used for these data, the results will not be reliable.
Well, but it says for the hot dog one that you need to conduct a regression analysis.
Yeah, and I don't know how you do that.
There's a significant linear relationship.
Maybe it's that one because maybe like the linear regression would not be reliable because you have to conduct a regression analysis. I don't know.
Oh. Okay, we draw the regression line on a scatter plot. So when we're SPSS, it's just to double click on the scatter plot, and it opens the editor. Choose the option element, then fit line at total, and close the chart. So
Saying for some reason.
sorry.
Oh, do we need to do we need to do the formula in SPSS?
I don't know. I'm confused. Wait, how do you, Aubrey, what do you do?
So you double click on the scatter plot, and the chart editor will come up in like another window kind of thing.
Yeah.
And
okay, mine just isn't working. So it's really frustrating.
Let's see. So you double click on it, right?
Yeah. And then you go to elements at the top of that new tab thing. Or new window, I guess.
You go to
elements, and then you fit line up.
Fit line it. Is that what you said?
Yeah. And then it just says part edit. I don't know.
Hello?
My SPSS is just really struggling today.
I'm gonna get headphones and see if that makes it not echoey.
So we're still working on it. I'm in the middle of a conference right now. I'll call you back. Bye. Okay, so I did that, Aubrey, and then it made like a line through it.
She just went to go get headphones.
Oh, okay. So I did it and it brought up like a line, but I don't really know what that. It's hard to read whatever. Oh, I see it. Okay. So then it gives you a formula of y equals 1.3 0.04.
I don't know. My chart editor is just barely pulling up. But it's still blank, so
Weird. Did I even do this?
I can't really help you on that one.
I just want to see if it comes up the same if I do it the other way. Come on. Okay.
So did you guys get yours with a line across it? Like.
Yeah, and it gives you a formula, like y equals.
Yeah.
But
so I don't know how we decide.
What does the line look like? Can someone pull up
Yeah.
their screen and show?
No, try to figure it out. Yeah.
So you clicked elements and then
you you click elements and then you on the whatever the one's called, the fit line at total. I'm really not sure what the point of doing this is.
Okay, can you see it?
Yes.
That's what.
Then click on your screen so it stays. Okay, yep. I see it.
Okay, so I guess we would put it's appropriate since it's like goes up. I don't know. Because it looks similar to the book.
Yeah. I'm down with that. I think that's right.
Yeah, I don't know.
Because if it was not appropriate, it wouldn't follow that line,
Yeah.
I feel like. Like, the hamburger one has nothing. Like, it's just a big, messy blob. And then the banana one, it curves.
Mhm.
So, yeah, I would say it's the last one.
That's what I think too, but I'm just kind of guessing.
Okay, number 8. How many observations are in the data? What?
What kind of question is that?
What do
That's
they?
a good question.
There's 139, or do we times that by 2? Because there's 2 different things of data.
Is that what it's asking?
I know. Seems kind of funny, but
I guess that's what it is, because it doesn't say anything about observations in the book.
So do we
Wait, so
139, or do we times it by 2?
my guess would be times by 2.
yeah,
So 278.
yep.
I don't remember reading anything about this.
Yeah, it doesn't have anything in the book. I just searched it.
You said 278, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes. Okay.
Okay. We have to find the y-intercept.
I have no idea how to do this.
Me neither, and I don't think it gives any instructions in the book.
Awesome.
Look.
Okay, let me see.
Oh, it does. Okay.
Where are you looking?
It's like 2 point something, 2.3.
Okay.
Regression equation. Okay.
Oh. Choose. Okay.
So, analyze, and then you go to regression, and then linear. And you move the dependent variable into the dependent box. So
On this
which one is the
saying? Oh.
wait? Which one is the dependent? Is it the score or the confidence rating?
It gives an explanation to which is which, but let me see where that is.
Yeah, but they're using different words.
Okay. The predicted value is y.
So is that the score or the confidence rating?
It had a definition somewhere. Now I can't find it. Let me see. Okay, it says regression allows us to write the independent variable is x and the dependent variable is y. And
yeah.
then it had a definition somehow. Let's see. Where did it say? I read that
I
somewhere.
know, but the problem is, like, I don't know, because, like, if we had, like, a description of what they're measuring, then we can figure it out. But I don't know what these numbers
The
mean.
dependent variable is also known as the response variable.
Right.
So on the before number 9 it says use the confidence data for the explanatory and the score as the response.
Okay, so the score is dependent,
Yeah.
and the confidence rating is independent, right?
Yeah.
Because Y is the response, and X is the other one. Okay. Because it said use score as the response, right?
I'll double check. Yes.
Okay. All right. Okay, click OK. Okay, the regression coefficients are given in the table under the heading Unstandardized Coefficients.
Oh, here we go.
Oh, here we go. Okay, so
18.69.
so the y-axis is 18.69, and
We put 6.0. Did you get 18.690?
yeah. Mm-hmm.
Okay.
So the y-intercept is 18.69. Oh, and then the slope would be the other number, right? 12.695.
Yeah, that's what I would say.
And then we just put in 4.
Mm-hmm.
So we just multiply those two.
No, you add 18 and 12, and then you multiply 12 by the 4. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Okay, let me know what you get.
69.47.
Yeah, I'll tell you that.
69.47 is what I got. Is that what you said?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yep.
Cool.
Okay. Oh, man.
Okay, I'm confused.
I am as well.
I'm guessing like 6, but
Okay, wait.
Okay, so in the summary it says values of y, first calculating the coefficients. So so we have the numbers already, so it's 18.69 plus 12.695. So
hold on.
so on a scale of 1 to 6, so we would use 6, right, for X?
But look, farther down there's like SPSS instructions. And it says to use SPSS to predict the value of y for any specified value of x, do the following. Isn't that what we're trying to do?
Yeah.
Okay, so there's instructions on how to do that right here. Is that what we want?
I guess so. We
Okay,
could just use the
it's right down below where we were, like past 2.5.
Yeah.
My question real quick though is like what are we supposed to use for the largest x value? Like is it
I would
just
say
6?
Can I go see if can say?
Yeah, I think 6.
Yeah, you can. There's time.
So can't we just do the equation? I feel like that would be easier.
Sure, if you think it'd be easier.
Here, you do it on SPSS, and I'm gonna do the equation, and let's see what
Happens.
Okay, so just FYI, it does say after that, like the instructions, our result using software does not exactly match the results we got by hand.
Oh.
So I don't know.
It's just barely off, because with the by hand, they got 648.146. Then on SPSS, it's 648.155.
So you don't think it's wrong if we...
But I don't know which
So,
one we're supposed to
which
do.
one is more right? I'm just gonna plug in what I got by hand.
Okay, so let me do SPSS, but let me make sure I understand. So which data is X and which is Y?
So the Y is the score.
Okay.
So it's the 18.69 is the Y. And the X is the confidence rating.
Here you go. It's the last two.
Okay, set it over there. Thank you, buddy. But eat it, because I don't want it. No, seriously, take it. It would make me so happy if you ate it. Same thing. So what's how? How?
It's telling everybody you got to get permits.
Call my dad because he just told me and tell him what they said and see what he says. I gotta finish this.
It's wrong.
Okay.
Kirsten, what'd you get?
I got 94.86.
Okay, that's what I got.
Did you do the formula?
Yeah,
Yep.
I did by hand.
Okay, I'm trying to hurry and do this real quick.
Okay. No worries. I'm looking ahead to the next ones while you do that.
Okay, so I just did it by SPSS. And let me see where did it go. What did you say you got?
94.86.
That's what it says here too.
Oh, cool.
Awesome.
It
That's
says,
good.
I mean, it says predicted value. It has a whole bunch of data, but it says predicted value in the maximum column. It says 94.86.
Mm-hmm.
So I guess, I mean, I didn't know where to look. I didn't see in the book where it told you where the answer was. But I think that's right. So that confirms. So 94.86.
Okay. Okay, for 13 and 14, I would guess just 1 for both, right?
Yeah. Mm-hmm. Yeah, because there's the simple ones, not the multiple ones, so.
Yeah.
Alright, I'm gonna submit.
Okay, here we go. Oh. We got number
Oh.
8 wrong.
Oh well.
I don't know what that is supposed to mean, though. So
Me neither. It's okay. It's not in the
fine
book,
with that.
Okay, guys.
Yay, good job, guys.
I
Oh.
haven't submitted yet, and so I changed it to 139, and that was the right answer.
Oh. Okay, that's good to know.
So just for the future, if we get that question again, we'll know it's just, I guess, the number.
Yeah.
Okay.
Good to know now.
And who is assigned the describe the data thing?
I had said I'd do that, but I did the last one, so I'm not sure. I think didn't we have it written out somewhere? You had written it on your original document or something? Who was doing what?
Oh yeah. Here, let me pull that up.
Because I think what happened last week was supposed to be everyone turned in something, but we all kind of took bits and pieces.
Well, because he said that everyone is supposed to have a part in that one, and so we didn't assign anyone. But then he was like, "Oh, but just one person needs to turn it in," and Jen said that.
But we all kind of
do it.
Do you know what I mean? On that one, like everybody did something because you guys had to gather the data and stuff.
Yeah.
And I think I signed up to do this part. Why don't I have it? And what it said on this one was describe the data in no more than 2 pages. And that's seems like a lot. Summarize it in 2 to 3 paragraphs, I guess, using summary statistics as well as other descriptions useful to provide you an overall picture of your data. I don't even know what I'm supposed to do.
Okay, well, let's help you with that real quick. Let me make sure. Yes, okay, so you are signed up for that one. Okay, so alright, let's open it up. Does it say when you open up the thing?
That's what I'm looking at. It says, it has a list, your document should include the following. Title of this assignment, final project, describe the data, the names of all members in your group, your research question, then 1 to 3 paragraphs summarizing and describing your data, well labeled and helpful graphs of your data. And we got 100 on the one I submitted last week, so we obviously did that one right. So we have,
that's good.
The graph that we provided is good. The one I just added in. I sent it to all of you guys, I think. And then we already have the research question. You did that the first week. So it's just the 1 to 3 paragraphs summarizing and describing your data. And I'm not sure how that's substantially different than what we did last week. When he said...
I'm opening up it right now to see what it says.
We need to use summary statistics. What does he mean by that?
So summary statistics, it's the standard deviation, or no, it's the 5-number summary, I think, where it has the 25th percentile, 75th percentile, the median. I can't remember all of them. Oh, crap.
If we took the data that we collected and we put it into SPSS.
Yeah, that would probably be the easiest thing. You could also do it with Excel, but but you are more familiar with SPSS, so if I were you, that's what I would do.
Okay, so
It's just
I just looked at what you did turn in last week because I didn't look at it closely. But I feel like you could just put that paragraph in on this week's, and then maybe another one like brief, like saying like, oh, the describing the sample statistics or whatever. You know?
yeah, that's a good idea. So
Now-
just like do that, and then put that stuff into SPSS and like get those numbers from it, and then like just talk about those numbers and what they mean. And like what I would do is I would just look up the definitions of like what does the standard deviation mean? Like what does a mean mean? And like talk about that. Say like, well, like the average is this, and like this is what that means. And
I'm probably the worst person to do this because I don't. Okay, so what kind of what are we gonna do? Are we gonna do is ours paired data?
What did we say? It was in the original one, wasn't it? Design the study or whatever.
Oh. Yeah, I think we said it was paired. I don't think I put it in the original one because there wasn't an option for it. Like you. Yeah, but I think we said it was going to be paired because it does matter, like, you know, which ones.
Mm-hmm.
I can't remember. It was Jordan who explained it. Actually, I need to get my power cord. I'll be right back. Okay. Alrighty. Yeah, I'm pretty sure it's a paired.
You're pretty sure it's paired? And so where was it we would like subtract one from the other to make it, what was that, in transform or? Not automatic code, it was something else.
How to do it in SPSS, you mean?
Yeah.
You go to transform and compute variable.
Okay.
Yeah, because we were gonna find the differences, right?
I think so.
Yeah. That's what we were gonna do. That sounds right. Does that sound right to you, Aubrey?
I think, yeah, sounds familiar.
And so I guess I'm not super clear on what I'm supposed to be doing.
Okay, so just like put it into SPSS and then get like the 5-number summary. Do you remember how to do that?
Yeah.
Okay. And so like put that data in there and then like describe it, just like what that means. And like what I would do is I would just like take each like 5-number summary and like just look up the definition of what that means. Like what is the actual like 25th percentile? Like what does that mean in like English words? And just like write it out and say like, okay, well like this number means this, like blah blah blah, you know? Apply it to like real life. and then I would also like Because there's other numbers that aren't part of the 5-number summary that I think would be good to know, like standard deviation, the mean, like stuff like that. I don't know, just like any other thing you can think of that we use a lot in this class, like to describe data and stuff and figure
Okay.
things out. And then just like look up the definition of what that means and just, like write it out.
He also usually talks about it in his weekly thing, so I'll watch that and see if he gives more clarification on
Good
it.
idea.
Figure it out.
Okay.
And
Yeah,
if
and
I-
then he says he wants a graph. So, a graph.
And you could even go to like the lesson on paired data and see like what, on SPSS, like the T-score or whatever we did for that
Yeah, and
lesson.
yeah, that's a good idea because they like write things out and they say like, well, because of this, we can infer this and like blah blah blah. Because remember, like in each chapter, like they go through every step. They say like, okay, like with this data, like here we're going to describe it, and then we're going to collect it, and then like we're going to blah blah blah. Like, and so you can see the kind of stuff that they've put for that, maybe.
Mm-hmm.
It's really weird though, because I've only been talking, I've been trying to put it in, and it won't let me. When I try to transform compute variable,
Mm-hmm.
I do like the first one minus the second, and then I make the name or whatever we're supposed to do. And when I say okay, it says one of the operands for an arithmetic operation is other than a numeric variable. And I took like everything out but the numbers, so I don't know why it's saying, I don't even know what that means. Like it won't even let me compute it.
Really? That's weird. I wonder why.
Because I've just got the numbers in there. I just have those two variables. You know what I mean? I took everything else out and just put
Yeah.
I even took out like the symbol for the number or for the money because I thought maybe that was it. So just basically just numbers. And it's still saying that, and I don't know why.
Wait, what was it saying?
So when I go to transform and I say compute variable, I take the one and then I minus it with the other, and then I make a name for it. When I say OK, it says one of the operands for an arithmetic operation is other than a numeric variable or numeric expression. So to me, that's saying that they're not numbers. Something in numbers, but they're all numbers. So I don't know. It doesn't make sense. I have
Yeah.
decimal because it's dollar amount with, cents.
Yeah.
But I don't even know what that means.
That's really weird.
Well, I'll keep messing with it and see where I get. If I have any questions, I'll email you guys, okay?
Yeah, just
Okay.
email us. Yeah, I'll make sure I'm on my email today.
Okay.
And,
Yeah.
Sounds good. Thanks.
yeah, sorry about this. I
Yeah.
guess,
No problem.
yeah, just let us know if you have any questions and also email Jordan too so he can give his input.
Okay, sounds
Just
good.
make it like group emails and
I'll try to send y'all a draft of it or like what I'm going to submit before I submit it just to make sure, if you have any
Okay.
questions or you see something I need to do different. Okay? Thanks.
all right, good luck.
Okay.